Hi everybody, I just got my shipment from Mr. Domestic. It's part of his new catch and release party, and I was really hysterical this morning. The package was supposed to be delivered on Wednesday, which was great because then I could do a video and everything while I was home, and then it didn't end up being delivered on Wednesday, and on Thursday I was at work and I got a lot of excuses, and also a package from Art Gallery Fabric, which is nice, but it was from Florida. So I knew it wasn't what I was really expecting, but it's this beautiful solid. And I had my mom open it up for me, and my response was, "That's nice." And I think she was surprised because usually I'm more excited. But it's beautiful solid, and I love the hand of it, but it's solid, and it wasn't the fishies that I was expecting. And they included this nice little tape measure. Thank you, Art Gallery Fabrics. So there was some kind of post office shenanigans, and I had to go pick it up just now. And so here it is. It is a beautiful bundle of his new catch and release line, and I'll show you everything I got. I think I asked him for all of the various prints. So there is, let's see. There is this dark blue with the white fish. And what I noticed on the fish when I was looking at the pictures online, let's see if I can show it off. They all have, well, not all of them. They have some, there's flying geese on this one and other little triangles and maybe, quilty inspired motifs. The scales look like clamshells, but I guess that's normal for fish scales. But I liked that part of it. It makes it easier for me to design when I'm looking at a fabric and I can see something that really inspires me. So, and then there are these beautiful mountains and streams. Sorry, it's a little hazy out here. I think we have a low air quality day. More fish, and again, you can definitely see that these are quilting fish. Aren't they awesome? They're going to be so much fun to play with. Some pretty flowers. And I'm loving that Matthew's theme this year is clearly inspired by a trip to the lake, because that's where we're going this summer. So now I'm in a hurry to finish my quilt off early so that I can take it with me. These little canoes or kayakers. They're cute. And flowers. And some fish scales or clamshells. And I really like that they're all in order, and then one different to give it a little bit of sparkle. Oars, ladybugs, and interesting little sayings. Create memories. It reminds me of scrapbook paper. It's going to be fun too. So I'm really looking forward to sharing this with you. I'll have a post up later today with some details on what I'm planning, and then I'll get to work and we'll have a quilt to share pretty soon. Thanks. Bye.